On est le 5 mai et on est sur la route qui mène à Key Largo dans les Keys, destination Key West bientôt. Alors on s'en va à un camping, il restait 2 places, il est présentement 11 heures. Alors on a de l'eau bleue turquoise de chaque côté et puis il y a quand même beaucoup de circulation qui descend des Keys. Alors,
I was strong enough to lift not one but both of us. Someday I will be strong enough to lift not one but both of us.
Ever thought about losing it? When your money's all gone and you lose your whip, you might lose your grip. When the landlord tell you that you're due for rent and the grass so green on the other side, make a nigga wanna run straight through the fence. Open up the fridge about 20 times, but you still can't find no food in it. That's foolishness. And sometimes I wonder why we care so much about the way we look and the way we talk and the way we act and the clothes we bought. How much that costs? Does it even really matter? Cause if life is an uphill battle, we all trying to climb with the same old ladder, in the same boat with the same old paddle. Why so shallow? I'm just asking, what's the pattern to the madness? Everybody in the number one draft pick, most of...
Donc on se prépare à partir, faire une randonnée en bateau avec un fond en verre. Les autres, ils vont faire de la plongée. C'est quelque chose qu'un jour j'aimerais essayer, ça a l'air vraiment hot. On est un petit groupe. Puis Rosalie et Vicky sont prêts.
Someday I will be strong enough to lift not one but both of us.
I can feel your pain, I can feel your struggle. You just wanna live, but everything's so low that you could drown in the puddle. That's why I gotta hold us up, yeah, hold us up. For all the times no one ever spoke for us. So every single time that they play this song, you can say that that's what Bobby Ray wrote for us. When the tides get too high and the sea up underneath gets so deep, and you feel like you're just another person getting lost in the crowd where you're pie in the nosebleed. Because we both been there, yeah, both of us, but we still stand tall with our shoulders up. And even though we always against the odds, these are the things that have molded us. And if life hadn't chosen us, sometimes I wonder where I would have wound up. Cause if it was up to me, I'd make a new blueprint, then build it from the ground up. Hey, but if it's all for one and one for all.
Il vente beaucoup. Je pense qu'on est rendu à notre destination. Oh, ben, elle dort pas. On n'a pas vu nos fins encore.
Tell all the boys no, makes you feel good, yeah. I know you're out of my league, but that won't scare me away, oh no. You've carried on so long, you couldn't stop if you tried it. You've built your wall so high that no one could climb it.
Alors, on est présentement sur la route en direction de Key West. On s'en va Marathon, merci. Et puis possiblement qu'on va coucher à Marathon ce soir. Alors je vous fais une vue 360. On est sur un pont. Alors d'un côté on a la baie de la Floride qu'on appelle, du côté du passager. Puis de l'autre côté, là c'est plate parce que c'est une voie qui rencontre hein, face à face. Beaucoup de circulation, les gens coupent toujours. C'est un peu dangereux, il faut être alerte. Et de l'autre côté, du côté à mon chum, on a l'océan Atlantique. Puis on a vraiment des taches bleues turquoises là, à travers l'eau, c'est vraiment beau.
Haven't seen you since high school. Good to see you're still beautiful. Gravity hasn't started to pull quite yet. I bet you're rich as hell.
One that's 5 and one that's 3.
C'est ça, il est poche. Je sais qu'il y en a une qui s'appelle Sylvain.
Bon, après cette fête réveillée par un policier à 4 h du matin, bien sympathique, on est rendu à Key West, donc le point le plus au sud. On est à 90 000 de Cuba, il veut dire à peu près 200 km. Donc il paraît qu'on peut voir Cuba quand il fait beau, donc on va aller voir ça. Vous allez entendre des coqs, donc vous rêvez pas, il y a plein de coqs dans les rues, donc c'est spécial.
Have you seen him?
Not in years. How about her?
No, but I hear she's in Queens with the man of her dreams.
Funny, back then she said that about you. Que sera, you'll never guess who I saw. Remember Johnny B?
Remember him, we're best friends practically. Let's do this soon again.
10 years, is that what it's been?
Can't believe how time flies by. Leaving you makes me wanna cry. These bruises
Make for better conversation.
loses the vibe that separates. It's gonna let you in again. You're not alone in how you've been. Everybody loses. We all got bruises. We all got bruises. I would love to fix it all for you.
I would love to fix you too.
Please don't fix a thing, whatever you do. These bruises make for better conversation. Loses the vibe that separates. It's good to know you got a friend to remember now and then.
Oh,
Everybody loses. These bruises
Make for better conversation. Loses the vibe that separates.
It's gonna let you in again. You're not alone in how you've been. Everybody loses.
Everybody loses.
Everybody loses. We all got bruises. We all got bruises. Y'all got bruises.
C'est quoi qu'ils ont dit?
là, toutes les barrières sont ouvertes et les dauphins peuvent se promener à l'intérieur de tous les bassins. Comme Vicky dit, c'est mieux de même. Sinon, il y a une grosse barrière là, une grosse barrière, une petite clôture. Ils peuvent sauter 6 pieds de haut. Donc pas 6 mètres, donc encore plus haut. il pourrait la franchir facilement. Mais ça s'est jamais arrivé. Il y a eu une grosse inondation il y a quelques années, puis la clôture n'était plus là, donc ils ont sorti. Puis quelques jours plus tard, ils sont revenus, donc ça prouve à quel point ils sont bien dans leur milieu ici. Et la plupart des dauphins sont nés ici.
I have one in my cubby if you got it.
Cheeks, and it all makes sense to me.
Yeah, Gypsy's going to be the youngest dolphin at this dog, but we have, hi Lou, we have mostly kind of like public. Oh, Pandora's coming by to say hello. Hey, here, you want to talk too? So you can tell Gypsy sounds a little bit different. That's her talk. Beautiful. Good job, Roman. I know. Like I was talking about earlier, their eyes.
Avec leurs dauphins.
Maybe that's the reason that you talk in your sleep. And all those conversations.
Hello. Ah.
Voice on tape, you never want to know how much you weigh. You still have to squeeze into your jeans, but you're perfect to me. I won't let these treat yourself right, darling, but I don't want you to. If I let you know I'm here for you, maybe you love yourself like I love you. Oh, and I've just let these little things slip out of my mouth. 'Cause it's you, oh it's you, it's you they add up to, and I'm in love with you. And all these little things, I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth. But if it's true, it's you, it's you they add up to. I'm in love with you.